Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you some of the intermediate 4x4 walkthrough solves. Scramble the cube according to the scramble with white top and green front. Now I will solve the cube using white or yellow cross. I will solve using white cross. For this scramble, it seems the yellow cross is half solved, so I will go with yellow cross. First, we should solve the centers. Now, we have to influence other centers. We should not collapse this one. So, we have to move it up, leave and way, and undo. Now, we should solve white. There is only one piece in the white. So, you two move it up, remove way, undo. Now, if you want to make a bar with these two, you should do like this. Do a U white and attach it. Now for cross edges, I will do like this. Yellow top and white first, not sideways. I will do it vertically. So move this up, do the swapping algorithm and insert. Now green seems okay, so I shall do green. Attach and insert. Now look for the cross edges. It seems red is okay, so I will go with the red one. Two pieces are same, so do the swapping algorithm and insert. Now for the centers, first I will do blue center. Move it up like this, undo, and blue center is off. Now the 4x4 color seams goes like this: blue, red, green, orange. Now I am done with blue. The next step is red. So finish the red set. Here there is a bar, there is a free bar. So attach it like this simply. And now for the green. For the green also the same. So attach. I am using the yaw method because the yaw is the fastest method. So we should look for the cross edges of the orange. The cross edge is here. Two edges are opposite and we should do the swapping algorithm. And the edge is solved. Now the 3 to 3 edge pairing. So we should do a flick like this and place this red green edge. Now look for the green orange. It's here. Take it out, place, and the orange blue, orange yellow. Place it like this, swap, and undo the flick. Now it is solved. So place an unsolved edge, the corresponding edge of the blue red. Blue red is here. So we should do a flick, insert the blue, yellow, and if it is two same, do the swapping algorithm and undo. Now the last three edges. Place an edge, do a flick and unsolve it. Now the last two edges. Same, do one flick, do the swapping algorithm and the solve. Now the normal 3x3 stage. Let's see whether it's getting interesting, if I get any parities. Yes, there is a parity. Do the parity algorithm and finish the oral. Oh, yeah, there is an PLL parity. Left with an V-perm. I am using a special V-perm, not the regular V-perm, and the cube is solved. For this scramble also, do the scramble with white top and green front. Now for this scramble, white cross looks pretty easy, so I will go with white. Now insert it, influence the other center. Now there is a free bar. So we should take that free bar up and insert it like this. Now there is 2 free bars, so insert. Now I am going with the red cross edge. Do a flick and do the swapping algorithm and insert. Now for the white and orange, do the same. Do a flick and insert. Now lastly, we are going to do the green. Now the cross edges are, if we do a flick, we can insert it. So do a flick and insert. Now, oops, I inserted it wrongly. Now we will move on to centers. Now the white center is the best one because we have a free bar. So insert. Now this side is red. So insert red. And this side green. So insert it. Remember, while doing the center, do the color scheme correctly, or else you will spoil the whole cube when F12. Okay, now the last cross edge, blue and white. Do it. Do a flick if not inserted. Then do the swapping algorithm and undo the flick. Now we'll move on to 3 to 3 edge pairing. First, insert the corresponding edge of the orange, yellow, and the corresponding edge of blue, orange, and lastly the corresponding edge of orange, green. Now do a flick, replace it with an unsolved edge, and undo. Now the last 2 edges. I got a luck. We solved all the 6 edges at a time. So the last 2 edges. Do a flick, do the swapping algorithm and undo the flick. For this scramble, let's see if an OLL parity occurs and a PLL parity occurs to me. I hope it should not. Yes, an OLL parity occurred. So do the OLL parity algorithm. Yes, there's an PLL parity. So do the PLL algorithm. I hope you like the video. Subscribe, comment, share, and wait for another same tutorials like this. More on the way. Half centers, like half centers, T2-3 edge pairing tutorial, exception cases, and more on. See you again soon. Bye.